This video, we teach you how to make a showcase jewelry design using Adobe Photoshop. So this is the interface of Adobe Photoshop. These are option panel and menus bars and toolbars. And these are the layer palettes where you can arrange your content by link, log and send to back. So now all the options are coming from window menu. As you see, these are check options available there. Now we go for the file, open these files. Now open that. Now this jewelry I want to be placed to be on this image. So as we see both of image at the same time. Now this jewelry, each because this jewelry is has an one image, so I want each jewelry to be placed over there. So I want to be select each jewelries and just place over there. So for that we want a quick selection tool and the mode should be add. So now we have to make a selection. Just click and drag, but before you select the layer and just drag to make a selection of this, because the whole jewelry image is in a one image, so that's why we want to be a separate jewelries to make a selection and then place over there. So we have to very clear to select all the jewelry elements over there. Even you can make a selection by press Ctrl plus for zoom in, so you get a very clearance to get selection of this particular jewelry. So we have considered the proper selection of the jewelry. So you have to select each jewelry elements to be a proper selection. As you see, you have to make an outer the selection of this jewelry. So that means it's get to be a proper select of this jewelry, because the jewelry has a more details, so we have to be very careful while you're doing the selection. So control plus for zoom, control minus for zoom out, so you can very much clear that how your jewelry get to be select properly. So you have to click over there also. Now it get to be selected proper. So everything basically very proper selection should be there. Now we have to go to drag over there also, but there's some things left also. That's why I'm saying just zoom in and clear all the things. So here we get the outer range selection. There's no selection get left in between this jewelry, so that means get a proper selection from the outer of this jewelry. So now I'm going to place this jewelry to on the neck showcase over there. So we have to just drag over there, then go select tool and just drag and drop over there. And now we have to do a control T to get a transform. So for the control transform, you can go edit and you get the free transform also there. Now we have a place over there perfectly. Control T, the same option I told you, you get the options there, and then slightly to transform to that the edge, so it can cover a proper transformation this jewelry. And then it's correct with that jewelry selection over there. Now we go for to just drag over this document aside, so we can select the another jewelry element, spacebar drag for panning. Now we go just remove this. If you don't remove this selection, you're not able to make it a new selection, so select this new elements of the jewelry also. Same way you have to be understand this jewelry has to be proper selection, and it give you on the outer selection range if you see that dotted lines come over there. So best part control plus for zoom and you can correct your selection over there. So this is how it's get be a select proper, and then we have to go select and drag and drop over there. Now we have to make a transform to perfect. For the transform again I'm repeat control T, or you can go edit free transform. So move aside, and then you have to use a arrow tool for precisely a movement over there. Then press alt and drag to get the copy of this. But before you have to perfect, proportionally you have to alt and drag, you get the copy of this. Then control T and right click to change this orientation. This is done. So so we done this necklace showcase as you see in jewelry shops or jewelry studios. This is how they give you the reference, the visualize of your jewelries on online shoppings also. This is where you can do your projection. I hope you understood. Thanks. If you have any queries, aonlinetrading.com.